Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Beaded Stars pattern. For this pattern, you just need to know how to do a single crochet, and you're also going to need to put 96 beads onto your work before you get started. If you need help with the single crochet, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that. Also, if you're interested in these beads, I'll leave a link down in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to start off by chaining 2. And we are going to work 6 single crochets into the last chain from the hook. And this is worked in the round. We are not joining at all with a slip stitch. So for round 2, we're going to start off by single crocheting in the next stitch. Followed by working a bead stitch into the same stitch. And we'll repeat that all the way around. So again, it's going to be single crocheting in the next stitch, followed by working a single crochet bead stitch into the same stitch. You'll repeat this all the way around, and you should end up with 12 stitches in the end. So here we are with round 3. You're going to start off by single crocheting in the next stitch. Then you're going to work 2 beaded single crochets into the following stitch. You'll repeat this all the way around, and you should have a total of 18 stitches at the end of this round. So here we are onto round 4. We're going to start off by single crocheting in the next stitch. Then we will work 1 bead stitch in the following stitch. And then we're going to work 2 beaded single crochets, both in the same stitch. And you will repeat this all the way around, and you should end up with 24 stitches once you finish this round. Here we are on round 5. We're going to start off by single crocheting in the next stitch. Then we're going to do a beaded single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1, 2. Then we're going to work 2 beaded single crochets, both in the same stitch. So there's 1 in one stitch and 2 in the same stitch. And you'll repeat this all the way around, and you'll join with a slip stitch. So for round 6, you're going to start off by single crocheting in the next 2 stitches, followed by working a bead single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1 bead single crochet, followed by a second bead double single crochet in the next row. Then you'll work 1 beaded single crochet, and then in that same space, you're going to work another just single crochet. So you can kind of see how it's forming here. So let's go ahead and get started on round 7. You're going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 3. Then you are going to work a beaded stitch in the next 2 stitches. So here's 1 beaded stitch, and then the next beaded stitch in the next stitch. Then you're going to work 2 single crochets in the same single crochet space. You'll repeat this all the way around, and you should have 42 stitches. So you can kind of see how that star is definitely starting to form now. So for round 8, you're going to start off by single crocheting in the next 4 stitches. Then you're going to work 1 beaded single crochet in the next stitch. Then you'll work 1 single crochet. Then you'll work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. You'll repeat this all the way around, and you will end up with 48 stitches at the end of this. So we have formed our star, so let's go ahead and finish off our edges. So for round 9, you're going to start off by single crocheting in the next 7 stitches, followed by working 2 single crochets in the following stitch. You'll repeat this all the way around till you have 54 stitches total, and then you'll fasten off and tuck in your yarn, and there you go. That is how you do the beaded star stitch pattern. Now if you use smaller beads, it end up having a little bit different texture to it, but I like the big chunky beads. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next crocheting video. Have a happy crochet day.